Until and unless, they not only sound similar, but they look similar too. And if you have ever been confused between the two, this video is just for you. So in this video, we will talk about the difference between until and unless. And let me tell you, you will never mix them up ever again. So why wait? Let's begin. The big difference between the two, let's break it down. Until talks about timeline, okay? How long something will happen. Until talks about time, how long something will happen. But unless talks about a condition. It talks about a condition. What will happen if something else doesn't happen? So it is based on a condition. Let's understand it with the help of an example, okay? The first one, let's talk about until. I will wait until 5 p.m. I will wait until 5 p.m. which means I will wait up to that time. I will wait up to that time. 5 p.m. is the deadline, which means I will be waiting till 5 p.m. and I will not wait after that. So 5, I will wait till 5, I will wait. After that, I'm not going to wait. So 5 p.m. is the deadline, okay? In the second sentence, if we see, I won't go unless you come with me. I won't go unless you come with me. So here, unless is used as a condition. Now, what is the condition? If you don't come with me, I won't go. If you don't come with me, I won't go. Suppose I tell this to my brother. I won't go unless you come with me. So condition is unless my brother comes with me, I am not going. So here unless talks about a condition. So until equals to time, which talks about a time, which talks about a deadline. And unless talks about a condition. Have some more examples and try to understand it. Suppose your friend tells you, I'm going to watch Netflix until midnight. I'm going to watch Netflix until midnight, which means she will be glued to the screen and will watch the television on Netflix till midnight, okay? So till midnight, she's going to continuously watch the screen, okay? But if she tells you, I'm not going to the party unless you come with me. I am not going to the party unless you come with me. I understand that's an emotional blackmail, but yeah, it means that if you don't accompany her, she is not going to the party. So see how this plays as a condition. So again, it's very clear. Until talks about time and unless talks about condition. One more example. Stay here until I call you. Stay here until I call you, which means you have to be here and she'll call you. So that's the time marker. It's talking about a timeline. Okay. But if I say it, I won't call you unless you text me. I won't call you unless you text me. So see, until talks about when. Until talks about when, and unless is all about if not, which is a condition. Let's talk about some common mistakes which people make. Sometimes people say, I won't sleep until you don't call me. I won't sleep until you don't call me. It's absolutely wrong. So what will be the correct way? I won't sleep until you call me. I won't sleep until you call me. So no need for don't here because until already expresses the time boundary. So until is already talking about the time boundary. So here with until you don't have to use don't. Okay. So in another, which is one more very, very common mistake that people make is you will fail until you study. You will fail until you study. So here it is not about timeline. It is about condition. What is the condition? Condition is of studying. So the correct sentence is you will fail unless you study. You will fail unless you study. So you will fail if you don't study. So unless talks about the condition and until talks about the time. Now this was just a very simple rule. Remember, learning English is not about memorizing. Okay, it is not about memorizing. It is about knowing those little tips and tricks that will help you to understand it better. So this was all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep thriving, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.